Hey guys, today on Low Carb with Jennifer, we are going to be making my keto chocolate mousse. It's only 5 ingredients and super easy. You can find the link to the recipe in the description below, or you can go to jenniferbands.com and search for chocolate mousse. So for our chocolate mousse, of course, you need heavy cream. This is 1 cup of heavy cream. And we are going to beat this to stiff peaks. I'm going to go ahead and add in the vanilla extract as well. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add in, it's not stiff peaks yet, but if I were to add in this stuff and then mix again, it would be over whipped. So I'm gonna add in my cocoa flour and I'm gonna sift it because cocoa powder is usually pretty clumpy. So I'm just using this little sifter here to get all of the clumps out so we have a nice, smooth chocolate mousse. I'm also going to sift in the powdered sweetener because it's pretty clumpy as well. Look at all of those clumps that we would have had in our mousse. We want to make sure and push all of those through with a spoon. Almost got it all passed through. Now the sweetener that I use for this recipe is a powdered monk fruit sweetener made by Keto, and it's really good. You can also use a powdered swerve. And we got that all sifted, and now we can add in a little bit of salt, and we can finish beating it into stiff peaks. It's looking good. So let me scrape the sides. All right. Okay, our chocolate mousse is all ready and it is super thick and delicious. I'm just gonna carefully put some into these cups, and I'm definitely not a food stylist. And this is super rich. You know, it's pretty much nothing but heavy cream. So a little goes a long way. This is so good to have when you're wanting a sweet treat. Just like that. Look at that delicious stuff. So thick. That is so good. Guys, you can find this recipe on my blog, jenniferbands.com. Or you can go to the description below and click the link. And I hope you make this recipe. Let me know how you love it in the comments below, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. This is my breakfast.